Alright, so this video will focus on Chapter 5, Section 4, Extension. And what we're going to do first of all is go through and solve each of the equations. So if I look at the first one, I have m minus 8 equals 2m. And we know that I have to draw the line, box the coefficients, move the coefficient to the same sign, right? So I'm going to go minus m, and I'll have m equals 8. And that's the first one. Oh, I'm sorry, minus 8 because it's a negative 8 there. So I'll put the negative sign here. Let's just change the color. All right, new. And let's try another one. We'll say 3x minus 5 equals 2x plus 1. Box the coefficients. Draw my line. Move over the smaller one, so minus 2x, and I have negative, or x minus 5 equals 1. Add 5 here, and x equals 6. All right, we just keep on doing this. Then you'll distribute and so on. So pause the video, try to solve these. All right, so here we go. We have p equals 3, x equals 7, r equals 3, and x equals negative 5. So now what we're going to do is we're going to solve equations using graphs. And it says to solve equations ax plus b equals cx plus d, write two linear equations. Well, in both cases, if you look at them, this is basically saying 3x plus 5 and 4x plus 2. We've always seen these as y equals mx plus b, right? So put a y equals before both of them. And all that you're doing here, whenever you're solving or setting them equal to each other, is you're basically saying, well, y equals this, right? So plug this value in for this y over here, or vice versa. Y equals this. So plug this y, change it with this information. That's all that we're doing here. And it's just saying graph it out. So we're going to go through and graph these out using Desmos. So I'm going to go through, and I have my two equations here. My first one is y equals x minus 2. And the second one is y equals negative 1/2 x plus 1. And look for where they intersect. They intersect at 2, 0. And there we go. So now it says plant A grows at 6 inches per month. Plant B grows at twice as fast. Well, my starting point here is 12. So let's just graph these out. So I'll have y equals 0.6x plus 12. And then my second one, and I'll just put down 0.6. And the second one grows twice as fast. So what is twice as fast here? So if I take 0.6 times 2, I'll have 1.2, right? So I'll have y equals 1.2x plus 9. Now it's off my grid, so let's just take a look here. And it looks like they will intersect at month 5, and they'll be 15 inches tall. And there's the answer. And that's the lesson today. I guess as a ending point, try to change these and solve this one when you graph it. So pause the video. All right, so hopefully you paused it, you graphed it out. You got 3x minus 4. And then the other one you got 1/2 x plus 1. And we'll look for the intersection here. Looks like they intersect at 2, 2. There it is. And that is a lesson today.